In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import Excel into Miro mind map. To make Excel data work smoothly inside a Miro mind map, the key idea is that Miro reads simple text structure very well. In many cases, the easiest method is to convert your Excel spreadsheet into a CSV file, then bring that CSV content onto the board so Miro can turn it into mind map nodes. This approach is quick, and it keeps your information clean and easy to reorganize once it is inside Miro. Start by opening your Miro board. You will want to be on the board where you plan to build or update your mind map. Once you are in the board, look over your canvas so you know where you want the mind map to appear. Giving yourself a clear empty space helps, especially if your board already has other content. Next, click on Highlight. This prepares you to work with the right tool area and makes it easier to focus on the import-related controls you need. This is where you choose how to bring outside content, like CSV text exported from Excel, into your Miro board. If you already converted your Excel file to CSV, open the CSV in a text editor or spreadsheet view, copy the content you need, and be ready to paste it when prompted or when your board is ready to receive it. Clean formatting matters here. Keeping rows and columns consistent will help Miro interpret the structure more reliably. Now click on the mind map area you want to work with. In this example, you will click on a mind map titled Website Redesign Phase 1. Click it again to make sure the mind map is actively selected. Selecting the correct mind map first is important because it tells Miro where new nodes should be added. Once the mind map is selected, type in Highlight. This confirms you can edit within the selected mind map area. From here, you can paste your CSV text content to generate nodes, or paste rows in a structured way to create child nodes, depending on how your CSV is organized. If you need more advanced structure, there is also a developer option called Create Mind Map from CSV that can parse your CSV into cleaner branches. But the core workflow remains the same. Get your Excel data into CSV form, then bring that text into Miro to build the map. And that is all there is to it.